So when we say what does it mean to be a mirror, we talk about an object that reflects the reality of something, the true reality of something. So when you go to the mirror and look at yourself, you see yourself in that mirror. So the mirror reflects you exactly the way you are. So when we see that Mary is the mirror of God's justice, mirror of justice, we basically are saying that Mary is a perfect example of what it means to have the justice of God. Perfect example of what it means to have the justice of God. But people will be asking, what actually is the justice of God? What actually is the justice? When we talk about God, because we'll be saying this thing a lot of times, God's justice, what does it mean? What does it mean? So in the Catholic theology, the God justice is understood as the virtue by which he gives each being what is due to it. So whether you are good or bad, this is what God gives to you. But the uniqueness of this justice is that it is rooted in mercy. So God's justice is also rooted in mercy. That is why whenever God has given somebody his justice, know that that justice is born out of his mercy. So we are not worthy of that justice. We are not totally worthy. So we are, for example, the redemption of Christ for us was not born out of our own merit. We are condemned already. So it's from the mercy of God that he wanted to redeem humanity that he sent his son. So it was very important that God sent his son to die for us. We didn't merit it. So if we should be talking about the proper dispensation of justice, we didn't merit to be saved.